Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm adding a new camera to my collection, and this time I picked up the Osmo Action. It also came with a charging kit. This was on sale presently at the time that I bought them off Amazon or Best Buy for $3.69 Canadian for the pair. Of course, if you live in America, it's going to be a lot cheaper. The reason why I picked up the Osmo Action camera, I already have a GoPro Hero 7, is that it has the screen in the front, which would be a lot better when it comes to filming, because now that the Jeep is ready to rock and roll, going out camping 4x4, and it'd be nice to be able to attach it to the window and see what exactly the camera's capturing it to get the moment. So, I'm going to open these up. Not going to do an unboxing, but just going to toss them out, and we're going to have a look. So if you bought the battery charging kit, you might have first got alarmed that they put this box in there, but it's empty. What relevance does putting an empty box in there? And I thought, whoa, the USB cable was probably in there and I just got ripped off. But when you look at the back of the box, it says charging hub, 2 batteries, 2 cases, and that's exactly what I have. Why they put all this time and effort for this, I don't know. I mean, does that not look like there should have been something in the box? So in the Osmo box, you get a mount. That's a 3M mount, USB cable, battery, and of course this is your camera. Another reason why I got the Osmo Action is the fact that it's got a removable lens. Or should I say lens protector. That is huge because, of course, you guys, if you've been watching my video, I do a lot of projects in the garage, as messy as it is. And of course, if you're welding or doing something and the lens gets damaged, well, then that camera's pretty much pooch. So that's why I kind of go with something like that. You can see battery goes in the back, USB, memory card, screen at the back. Very nice. It looks like they got a slot for the memory card. But what I need to do right now before I do anything else is I need to charge the batteries. That's number one. Update the camera before we can do anything else. Everybody buys a camera in hopes to suit their own needs. One of the big bonus ones is the time lapses. The DJI Action Osmo takes beautiful time lapses and it's easy to set it up. And it's really smooth. I'm pretty happy with it. The only thing that I find a downfall is that the in-car audio is really muffled when you're out driving in and about. But as far as video quality goes for an action camera, I am very impressed. Now we're back to my favorite hill. Start climbing. Get over top of this. Find our camping spot. This is a low light shot here. Now, of course, I could have probably adjusted the settings in the camera to get a better picture, but just using the automatic settings, that's what I got. I mean, it's not horrible. I mean, for the purposes that I do it or use the camera for is vlogging, adventure. It's more than plenty good enough for me. Just on the Deerfoot, seems to be driving pretty good. And this is what I mean about the audio inside the cab. Just never know how something's going to turn out once you install it. And I think because in the vehicle there's so much noise, even with the wind reduction off, it kind of muffles it. But besides for that, the audio through the stock microphone is actually really good. It's a little quiet. I wish there was an adjustment for the volume, but it is what it is. So now at the end of the video, I've actually used this camera for just over 3 months before finishing up this video, and I am definitely impressed by it. I like it better than any of my other cameras. Like, I have a GoPro Hero 7 and I am
very impressed with the Osmo Action. I'll probably never buy a GoPro camera again, just because the Osmo is the only action camera. And if you guys been watching my other channel for a while, you know that I've had issues with firmware updates, issues. If you guys remember the GoPro Hero 7 when I first got it, I had issues with it freezing up. I had issues with just almost at the point where I couldn't use it. And I find that the battery life on the Osmo Action is way better than my GoPro Hero 7. So, I mean, opinion-wise, it is what it is. For me, it does the job I wanted to do. For somebody else, maybe not. But I'm going to end my video here. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. And I want to thank you guys for watching. This camera, to me, is actually really worth it.